yeah, that's right. I guess it just I guess it just locks and unlocks. There's no remote start because it's an LT, I guess, right? Hey, who knows? You can probably get remote start put on this damn thing, but who cares? Anyways, guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. That's right. Check this out. Check this bad boy out. It's sitting on a set of Moto Metal 978s. These are the Moto Metal Razors. They're a very awesome, unique looking wheel. These are I want to say a 20 by 10 I have on here. I just bought them. They're brand new. Everybody, heads up. Always take off the little stickers or the protective plastic that goes on there. If you leave them on there for a year, the sun, the cold, the hot, the warm melts it on there and they come crackly. It looks horrible. Take them off when you get them. I got black matching lug nuts, spline lug nuts, so that way people can't steal them, but everybody has the same key now, so they probably can steal them. It's rolling on a set of 295 55 20-inch Radar Renegade all-terrain tires. So the ride's great. It's got a great ride. It rides nice and smooth. This truck has a leveling kit on it. With all that said, it turns far left and far right. No rubbing whatsoever on the back cab corner or on the front lower valance right here. We have no rubbing. We clear perfectly fine. The truck looks great. It sits well. It's a really kosher, clean, simple looking truck, but it's got the aggressive stance on it with the wheels, tires, and the leveling kit. With all that said, it looks great. I love it. It's got a Trueport car cover on it. Or Trucksport, I'm sorry. What the hell am I talking about? Trucks made by Truxedo. It's faded to hell. But anyways, little kind of, oh, look at that. Black ice, there they are. It's got a like a nice kind of rubber bed liner. Nothing too crazy. This is what they say is waterproof. It's Velcro down and whatnot. You put it on and it works pretty well. I like it. Underside is pretty clean. It's got no rust under the side right here. You can kind of see, hopefully you can kind of see, but there you go. So no backup camera, but like I said, it's a kick-ass truck and I love it. So here's the thing, guys, check this out. I'm gonna go over a few things and make it kind of quick. This truck is capable of running E85, okay, or gasoline. I choose to run 93 octane in here. I've tried E85 before, and being honest with you, you can notice it. I notice a difference because I'm very in tune to this kind of stuff. It picks up more, it takes off faster. You notice more of a, I guess you say, yeah, more pickup. But the downfall of it is when you first start up in the morning, it kind of takes a little while to start up. So, anyways, do your research on those type of fuels you can run in this truck, and let me know what you guys think. Oh, also, big shout out to Brian Harwell, my 5,000th subscriber. Peaches, you are kick-ass, brother. High five, buddy. Yeah. What's that thing? Hold on. I forget. I don't know. God damn it, Peaches. Make me forget now. Oh, yeah. This look familiar? This little scar right here? Yeah. F you, buddy. Just kidding. Peaches, big shout out to you, brother. Miss you. Love you. Congratulations on being the 5,000th subscriber. Back to the truck. 5.3 liter kick-ass truck, guys. Repping at you at 120 miles an hour. Maxing out at, oh shit, I locked the keys in the door? Nope, just kidding, they're right here because it doesn't have a remote start. Remember I did that in the beginning of the video? Maxing out at 140 miles an hour. Wrapping out at 6,000 RPMs. Truck has 100,000 miles on it, 279. It's got Bluetooth, it's really cool. The light in the back, traction control off. You get your compartments here. Hide whatever you want to hide. I'm not going to offend people by saying hide your crack pipe. I don't know what you guys are into, nor do I care. Cool ass little lid right here that flips up to, oh, hello, can't grab it, third seat. So you can fit a lot of, if you guys are rolling deep with your boys or homegirls, or you're just a pimp and want to carry around 2 girls, have at it. I choose to keep my water bottles in here, my Hawaiian Breeze air freshener, I like it, and my Bodyguard 380 hand pistol. So, anywho, no sunroof, nothing like that. Starts up fine. It's bone stock. Sounds like any other truck. Factory floor mats in it. Really are awesome. A good way to get these clean, guys. Spray them down, hose them off. Use like a type of what do you call it? Degreaser and stuff like that. And shine them up. They look brand new. Kick-ass. Automatic windows. You can see the engine. Ready? How am I gonna open this, close this door 5 flipping times? F that. Tires got a good amount of tread on you, probably like 95% brand new. So here's the rest of the truck right here. There's a little damage I noticed before I go any further. See, regular 5.3 liter V8 engine. Everything's been done. Oil change has been done. State inspection, brand new state inspection. So I hope you guys like it. No fog lights, tow hooks in the front. I like driving it. Honestly, I drove this truck for about 2 weeks before I decided to finally get it detailed and put it up for sale. Love the way it drives. It's not too aggressive to where you can't really go in and out of drive-throughs and whatnot. You can roll it, take it on the highway, and you're not whoa, 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 like with mud tires on and stuff like that. Granted, I do like that sound. Some people hate it. Makes you feel like you're tough. You're driving in a big truck. These are all-terrain tires. Sorry about the wind and the pollen, guys, because it's crazy right now. But hope you guys like the video. Here's the truck. A little bit of hate right here. A little bit of hate, and a little bit of hate right here. A little bit of hate. But nothing major, guys. This truck's awesome. Really, really clean inside, as you see. Back seats flip up. Extra super ample storage. You boys can fit back here, unlike a lot of pickup trucks where you come back here and everybody's like, oh my god, I can't even fit in. Guys, I have plenty of room back here. Plenty of room. I'm 6 foot tall and plenty enough room. And also in the front, guys got plenty of room up there. So you can fit 3 people back here. A total of 6 people can fit in here. Rolling deep, go to the club, party, who knows what you want to do. But door jambs are clean. You know me, guys. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, and I'll be bringing more to you. This is Mark with a 2014 Silverado LT. This is a full 4-door, guys. They make the, the quad cab roof? It's like partial 4-door. It's legit 4 doors. They all open the same way, but it's like right there that much less. So, or right there that much less. And I hate it. But whatever, to each his own. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. This is Mark signing out. Peace.